Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for Store or Microsoft Store. From the best matches, you're gonna find Microsoft Store. Just click on Open. Then just give it some time to load. Then just go to the search and type for Microsoft Team. After that, you'll find Microsoft Teams over here. Just click on it. Now, there might be a button saying Install or Get. Just click on it. Then just give it some time. It will download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. And there you go. Microsoft Teams has been installed on your system. And basically that is it. And that is how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.